In English, that means hello everyone and how are you? We are the first have been pretty much for many years. I am sure that many of you do not know about my existence. After visiting our disease, I actually the animal kingdom room. Yay! The purpose of us here is to share with you a story that has been passed down by our ancestors many years ago. It is a story about a very big storm. It's about how the different species of animals come together as one. And this is how the story goes. You have all gotten the game. It's already evening. All the heroes have gone home, so we can talk like normal again. Oh dear, I'm always forgetful. Well, guess age is catching up with me, so sometimes I tend to forget easily. Don't worry, sometimes I tend to forget good foods. Hey, look at the sky. Looks like those big dark clouds are coming this way. We better let the monkeys know. Alright, we will fly there now. We have bouquet wood. Check it out, friends. That was fun. We must do this more often to distress ourselves. Any interesting happenings in Bukit Timah? The usual thing like when the humans live happily.
We are free to do what we like.
Freedom! True, you can say that again. Ha 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 ha. Monkey, baby monkey, a very big storm is coming and it's coming this way. You must take shelter now. Oh yeah, really? What do we do? We better look for this now. Hurry, baby sparrow. You must let the squirrel family know too. Because Mama Squirrel has just given birth to 6 babies. It's best that you go now. Go! Ooh, alright, that settles now. We will go now. Good luck in finding the leaves. babies are sleeping. Oops, I'm sorry. A big storm is coming this way. Oh dear, what shall we do, Papa? Our house is too small to keep us dry. How could we move at this time? Help me. I'm scared of thunder and I don't like to be wet. But where can't find a cave to hide. Please help me. Someone, anyone, no one. It was the animal crying. He knew to the forest he doesn't know anybody. All the animals went to comfort him. Don't worry, my little one. We are all here to help you. But the storm is coming, and I don't know Bukit area very well. I will surely be lost, wet, and all alone. Am I too old to fly to a dry place? How about our babies? Oh dear, what will happen to us? Papa, is there anything we can do so no one gets wet? Let me think. I've got an idea. What is it? Tell us. Well, we can build a very big shelter so everyone can stay dry. But we will need help to do that. I have strong paws. I can break very thick branches for our shelter. We have small paws, but we can gather the leaves. We can collect branches from the treetops to tie the branches together. I am good with my hands. I can build anything with this hammer. Together, they built a very big shelter using carpentry tools. The roof was made of leaves gathered by Papa's hero. The house was made of branches collected by little army bears. They all sat together, really, The wall was made of branches collected by little army bears. They all got together, like by the arrow. Oh no, the storm is almost here. What shall we do? We do not have time to gather food. Don't worry, we have lots of nuts, which I have stored over the last few months. Papa, please bring all the nuts right out here. And all I have is honey. Lots of bananas. We can share with you. How about you, Sparrow? We don't have any food. You can share ours. It is because of you that we are now well prepared for the storm. Oh, thank you, everyone. We have this big shelter because everyone helped out in cold. I know. We were in cooperation. We can do it. Together we are really want to get afraid. Oh no, it's raining. Packing tape, please. See you soon.
Well done, K2 children.